Hey there, it's Tow Trucker. We're back. I'm over here in Decatur, Covington Highway, Glenwood. Anyway, I just stopped and helped this guy. Well, I take it back. I stopped at a red light. He was panhandling. But I see these people on the side of the road, man. Oftentimes I'll, if I got a little bit of cash, I'll throw in some cash. I like to help people. I don't do it to be seen. I do it because that's what I've been doing for years. I don't give them a lot of money. I don't have a lot of money. Anyway, I just gave this guy $20. Anyway, he started crying, and I don't know why. He smiled, but then he was crying. He walked away crying. It just shows people that other people care about them. A lot of these people don't have the same opportunities we have. But post in the comments what you feel about me giving money away in videoing it, showing it on video. I've had a lot of ridicule every time I put one out, man. I've been ridiculed by somebody on my channel. I mean, I yank cars. It's okay for me to yank everybody's cars and piss people off, but boy, if I go out there and try to help somebody, oh man, you shouldn't put that on camera. Man, I don't know. Anyway, peace. Hey there, we're back on another one. They keep calling them in. This is a wrecked car, and they want this car off the property. I don't know any properties that allow you to have a wrecked car for very long. Like I said, some properties are a little bit lenient, but after a day or two, they'll usually tow a total out car. And that's what I got here. It's in rough shape. It's back here. Anyway, that's how these cars end up. That car, I think it's got a cracked block because it had oil. It dumped oil all over the property, and it ran down the drain. But you can't leave cars like this on a piece of property. They will tow them. They'll tow them every time. If anybody that don't know that, they can learn that from watching these videos. If you got a wrecked car and you park it on your apartment complex property, it's going to get towed, just the way it goes. Anyway, we're off to the yard. Got this wrecked piece of crap to the yard. Anyway, I think a lot of people they feel like if they rent an apartment, they can park whatever they want on the property because they rent a unit, but that's not how things work. They leave it on property for a month, it gets towed. Sometimes it's leave it on the property for one day, it'll get towed. That's just how it goes. The VIN number's covered up on this one to roll to my next call. Hey there, it's Tow Trucker. I'm back. I just picked up this car for a gentleman. He's called the Slot Guru, the slotguru.com. He's made a lot of money over the years trading off slot machines and lottery. Looks like he's Army vet too, and he's got a book he wrote too. He's also got a YouTube channel. But anyway, he was a super nice guy, and he gave me one of his books. But if you want to check him out, like I said, slotguru.com. This guy, he said he believes in helping the elderly people as much as you can. Which is something I think is very, very important. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and offload it and take it in there to the dealer. Anyway, peace. That dude cut me off on the highway. I was running about 60 miles an hour on a big highway. I'm on University Parkway. Then he was pissed off at me because he was trying to get in my lane after he pulled out in front of me. That's how these drivers, they driving these big trucks, man. They pull out in front of people, don't care about anybody. Not everybody does that. There's a lot of good, safe drivers. I know. Matter of fact, I know a couple of over-the-road drivers, and it's tough out there on the road, man. It really is. But he knew I was there, and he pulled out in front of me intentionally. And I could have ran into the back of his truck if I wouldn't have, you know, expected it. I was expecting him to pull out. Anyway, that's just the way it goes. You gotta be real careful out here on the road. Hey there, I got a little Corolla back here. It's got a 19 tag on it. It didn't have any tag on it at all when it was stickered. Now they put a 19 tag on it. I'm gonna have to yank it. Yeah, that's the one with no tag. It's got a 19 on it now.
We just got the car.
Does it run?
Yes, it turns on. Do you want me to turn it on?
Well, you need to listen. When you get stickered, you pull the sticker off. Ask him if he pulled the sticker off.
Sorry?
Ask him if he pulled. Is it he or she? Tell me, did they pull the sticker off the car?
I'm not sure.
I mean, I guess you.
Anything I can do? I mean, like I literally just bought
I guess you could call the office. I don't have a chain on it, and I don't know if it runs because you don't have a key.
He says he understands, but he was confused on why if we had just brought it.
I understand. I'll see what the office says.
Okay, do you want me to head down there?
Well, you need to talk to them. You better talk to them, because if they tell me to come back and tow it, I might have to tow it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Anyway, her husband did it wrong. Left her to fend for the car while he's gone to work. Pulled the orange sticker off. Didn't ask her to call the office. Didn't tell her anything. He knew that car was stickered. He took a razor blade and removed the sticker. And I didn't get a chain on it, but the office tells me to come back and get it. I'm gonna get it. And make no mistake, if they don't fix that car, it will get towed. That's for sure. They're being a little bit lenient right now because of the pandemic. Otherwise, that car would have got towed immediately. Anyway. Hey, there's tow trucker back. We got an impound over here. I'm on the north side of Atlanta. They just called this impound in. They property owner told the manager to get rid of this car. It's got a flat tire, and he said it looks bad. And they're spending a lot of money on this property. All these buildings have been redone, and they're spending a lot of money on this property. And they're not going to have any junk cars laying around, so they told me to yank it, so we're fixing to get it. Anyway, we'll see what happens. is, what building do y'all live at?
I think you gotta bring it down. Can you just take my thing like that or no?
Yeah. I mean, you got to, you know, you have to somewhat, you know, abide. I mean, it's a visibly very dirty vehicle.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it's mine.
I know it's yours, but hey, the parking space it's sitting in.
Yeah, but I can just move it.
Hey, that is treacherous.
I can just move it.
I know, but you that's the thing. You didn't move it though. They stickered it. Did you talk? Did you
yes,
call?
I talked
Did
to
you?
the guy, and because he had a flat tire. But
Well, it's going flat again. It's got a leak, man.
It wasn't this one. This one
Yeah.
was like that. I didn't touch that one. It was.
Yeah.
It was one on the front.
Well, there's just I can tell you what they do, and I understand your dilemma. You got your stuff in it and everything, but the vehicle looks very rough, and the parking space up on it looks like it's been sitting here for years. Then they tow them, man. I mean, it looks like it's been sitting here 2 or 3 years, and that's just what they do. They tow them because they want to keep the property up.
But I can just put it somewhere. Yeah. Oh, he say you bring it down, and I'm gonna move the van.
Yeah, you're gonna have to pay it out. It's already hooked. But when they call them in.
Yeah, call your guy up.
Yeah. It's gonna have to be paid out. Yeah, hey, how you doing, Felix? This is Johnny, the tow guy. Yeah, I'm up here with the van, and I told him he's gonna have to pay it out. It's basically on the truck. He's gonna have. Yeah, it's basically on the truck. He was super nice too. Tell him he's got to pay it out, but I will drop it. I'll drop it if he wants to pay it out. Okay, thank you. Yeah, bye-bye. You're gonna have to pay it out. I just talked to the manager. See that guy down there? Go ask him what happened to him. It's the same thing. He paid his out. It's just what it is. You go talk to him if you want. That gentleman right there, same thing happened to him. He got hooked. He had to pay. You got to pay it out to keep it on. It's $100. I've already talked to her. It's got to be paid out. It's just a $100 drop fee. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna put it. I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come over here. That was yours right there. I'm gonna put it in a different space where it won't look like that.
I can turn it on.
You can. Okay. Well, I'll pull up and you can back. Yeah. Just hey, if you ever get stickered again, hey, make sure you talk to the office. You know what I'm saying? Huh?
I thought that was the best way.
Yeah, how you doing, my friend? Hey, good to see you, man. You okay?
Yeah, where did you channel?
Huh?
I saw him on your channel.
Did you?
I'm doing good, man. Hey, man, it's been a long, hot day, man. My boy got his money in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to his channel, man. Check him out.
Appreciate you, man. Hey, appreciate it.
God bless you.
Yeah, God bless you, my friend. Anyway, that was one of the gentlemen that seen my video before, and his father-in-law was on the video, and he's really interested in tow trucker. But anyway, that's pretty neat. Peace.